Good morning. Today we will discuss the second exercise of chapter triangles. So here the first question is an isosceles triangle ABC in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. So it is given in the question that AB is equal to AC. The bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Bisectors of angle B and C. Bisector means the measure of these two angles are equal and the measure of these two angles are equal. Suppose this is angle 1 equal to 2 and 3 and 4. So it is given angle 1 equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Join AO, join A to O, and we have to show that OB is equal to OC. Now see, first we will write to prove. First is OB equal to OC, and in the second part we have to prove that AO bisects angle A. AO bisects angle A. Means we have to prove the measure of these two angles are equal. So first OB और OC को equal prove करना है. We have AB equal to AC, and we know that if sides are equal in triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Angle opposite to AB is angle ACB, and angle opposite to side AC is ABC. If total angle are equal, then their halves are equal because OB and OC are the bisectors. Because OB and OC bisects angle B and angle C respectively. Now half of ACB is angle 4 and half of angle ABC is angle 2. You can also write reason here that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. You have to write the result. Now angle 4. In triangle BOC, angle 4 के opposite side कौन सी है? OB, and angle 2 के opposite side कौन सी है? OC. This is our first part. Now second part we have to prove that AO bisects angle A. If we prove that these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT these two angles will become equal. So we have to prove that in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. First condition is AO is equal to AO common. Second condition is AB is equal to AC. Again given. And the third condition is OB equal to OC. Proved. ये भी हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में प्रूव किया, so we will write proved. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC by triple S congruency. If these two triangles are congruent, then these angles are equal by CPCT. Therefore, angle BAO is equal to CAO by CPCT. You can also name these angles. 4 तक हमने already लिए 5 and 6. Therefore, AO bisects angle A. Clear? Now, second question. Now question number 2. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector का मतलब क्या है? Perpendicular means this angle is 90 degree, angle D is 90 degree, और ADB not only ADB is 90 degree और ADC is 90 degree, and bisector का मतलब it divides the side BC into equal parts. BD equal to CD. And we have to show that triangle is isosceles. To prove triangle is isosceles means we have to prove AB equal to AC. So let us start the proof. We will take triangles. In triangle ABB and triangle ACD. Clear? Here the first condition is angle ADB is equal to ADC 90 degree. Second condition, AB is equal to AD common. And the third condition is BD equal to CD, again given. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle, ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SAS. In this condition 90 degree and this side by SAS. Therefore, AB equal to AC by CBC. Clear? Now next question. Question number 3rd and 4th both are same. Only a little bit difference is there. So we will do one question from both of them. I am going to do question number 4. Fourth question is in triangle ABC in which altitude BE and CF to the sides, these are given sides are equal. In triangle ABC, altitudes BE, altitudes means these angles are 90 degree, BE and CF to the sides AB and AC are equal. Given में क्या है? Altitudes are equal, BE is equal to CF, and we have to show that to prove triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, and the second part we have to prove AB equal to AC. So let us start the proof of this question. First, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Clear? In this triangle, first condition is this angle E is equal to angle F each 90 degree. Second condition, angle A is common in both the triangles. And the third condition is these altitudes are equal. Given. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by angle side. Therefore, second part AB equal to AC, yes, AB is equal to AC by CBC. Clear? Now let us do next question. Question number 5. Fifth question is AB and DBC are the two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. These are the two triangles on the same base BC, and these triangles are isosceles triangle with this side equal to this and this side is equal to this. We have to show that angle ABD is equal to ACD. First given is AB equal to AC and BD is equal to CD. We have to prove that ABD is equal to ACD. This question we can do by two methods, one by congruency, other by without congruency. I am going to do it without congruency. With congruency आप कैसे कर सकते हो? Take a join AD को join करके then prove that both the triangles are congruent. By congruency, by simplicity, we can prove that these two angles are equal. And the second method is without congruency. And how can you do without congruency? It is in triangle ABC, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. AB equal to AC. Suppose this angle AB के opposite ACB and AC के opposite ABC. Angles, and let it number 1. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. And in next triangle BDC, again angle opposite to BD is this angle DCB, and the angle opposite to, first we will write the side BD is equal to BC, and angle opposite to side BC is this angle DBC. That will be number 2. Now add 1 and 2. कि half of portion हमारे पास आ गया, we need these two total angle, so for that we add 1 and 2. ACB plus DCB equal to ABC plus DBC. Now ACB plus DCB, ये total angle बन गया ACB, and on other side these two angle addition में कितना हो जाएगा ये ABB, and this is the result which we want to prove. Clear? Now next question we will discuss in next video.